Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a BMW X3 headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a flathead screwdriver and your new bulb. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental burns. Next, locate the access panel at the rear of the headlight assembly, usually found under the hood. Now, gently remove the protective cover or cap from the back of the headlight assembly. This might involve twisting or unlatching a clip. Once the cover is off, you will see the electrical connector attached to the old bulb. Carefully disconnect this connector, pulling it straight off. Pay attention to how the old bulb is seated. This will help you install the new one correctly. With the connector removed, you can now unclip or twist the old bulb to release it from its housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the notches or clips. It should fit snugly. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, replace the protective cover or cap, making sure it is sealed tightly to prevent moisture entry. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your vehicle and test the new headlight to confirm it is working correctly. You've successfully replaced your BMW X3 headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.